Today, another simple and easy budget-friendly recipe. I'm going to show you how to do tomato and basil pasta. Instead of using basil, you can always use spinach or kale in this recipe. And I'm using 5 tomatoes, few cloves of garlic, 2 red chilies. This is optional. Instead, you can add capsicum, 1 onion, 1 cup of fresh basil leaves, and 250 grams egg pasta. And going to use butter and some cheese. These are optional. If you don't want to add any butter, you can use olive oil instead. So put a pot of water to boil, and into that add some olive oil. Into that add some salt. And then I'm going to break the pasta and put it into that. If you don't want to break, you can go like this. Then cook the pasta about 5 minutes. While cooking the pasta, I'm going to prep the rest of the ingredients. So let it boil. Chop the garlic finely and leave it aside. Then the onion and the chilies. Now I'm going to cut the tomatoes into small pieces so it cooks easily. I'm going to add the basil leaves just as it is, and then going to grate the cheese. This is Parmesan cheese. While cooking the pasta, I'm going to do the rest of the things. Put a pan on the stove to be hot. Go into the pan, going to add some butter. While melting the butter, add the garlic and the onion with the chilies. And saute about 3-4 minutes until it is tender and the onions are translucent. Once the onions are translucent, I'm going to add the basil leaves and then the tomatoes and cook again another 5 minutes until the tomatoes are softer. Add some pepper to taste and then enough salt. Once the tomato is well cooked, add the pasta. It will cook in this buttery sauce for a while and will absorb all the flavors from it. Check the salt and the pepper level and you can always adjust. As you can see, it absorbed all the liquid from it and plate it. And put some Parmesan cheese on top. It's a simple and easy budget meal that you can try in 10 minutes. See you next time.